Have you ever wanted to tell your friends about a fun trip, a yummy meal, or something cool you did last weekend, but didn't know how to say it in English? Don't worry. In just 8 minutes, you can speak like a native speaker and impress everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beyond Words. I'm Jessica, your host, and I'm super excited to be here with you today. If you're just starting with English or want to sound more confident, you're in the right place. Today's video is going to make you say, "Wow, talking about the past in English is so easy." So stick with me and let's dive in. Today, we're learning how to talk about things that already happened, the past. In English, it's super common to share stories about what you did, like a trip you took or a meal you watched. We'll learn easy sentence starters, common verbs, and time phrases to make your stories sound amazing. These are perfect for beginner's level, so don't worry, it's simple and fun. Let's start with the most common verbs for talking about the past. These verbs are in the past tense, which means they describe things that are finished. Here they are. I went. I ate. I was. I read. I played. I saw. I talked to. I worked. Let's see how to use them in sentences. I went to work. I ate spaghetti for lunch. I was at home yesterday. I read 2 books over the weekend. I played soccer with friends. I saw a movie last night. I talked to my friend on the phone. I worked in an office last month. These are so easy, right? Just start with I and add a past tense verb. Now, to make your stories even better, you can add time phrases to say when something happened. Here are some common ones. Yesterday, 2 days ago, 7 years ago, an hour ago, a little bit ago, last week, last month, last year, when I was a kid, when I was growing up. Let's try combining them with our verbs. Yesterday, I went to the park. Last week, I ate pizza with my family. When I was a kid, I played games every day. 2 days ago, I saw a funny movie. Last month, I talked to my teacher. See how easy it is? You just need a time phrase and a past tense verb to tell a great story. Okay, let's make this super fun with a game called Tell Your Past Story. I'll give you 3 prompts, and you'll say a sentence out loud at home using a past tense verb and a time phrase. Pause the video to answer, and don't worry, there's no wrong answer. Ready? Prompt 1. Tell me something you ate yesterday. For example, yesterday I ate ice cream. Pause and say your sentence now. Awesome! Prompt 2. Tell me something you did last weekend. For example, last weekend I went to the mall. Go! Great job! Prompt 3. Tell me something you saw when you were a kid. For example, when I was a kid, I saw a big dog. Your turn. You're amazing. Practicing like this helps you feel confident telling stories in English. If you want, share your sentences in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Why is talking about the past so important? Because it's how you share your life with others. In English-speaking countries, people love asking, "What did you do yesterday?" or "What did you do last weekend?" When you answer with phrases like, "I went to the beach," or "I ate pizza," you sound natural and friendly. It's a great way to make friends, connect with people, or even talk in class or at work. For example, at a party, someone might ask, "What did you do last weekend?" If you say, "Last weekend, I played soccer," it starts a fun conversation. Or if a friend asks, "What did you do yesterday?" you can say, "Yesterday, I watched a movie." These phrases make you sound confident and help you join conversations easily. Now, what happens if you don't use the right phrases? Let's say someone asks you, "What did you do yesterday?" And you say, "I eat pizza." That's not right. Eat is present tense, not past. They might think you don't understand the question, and it can make the conversation awkward. Or if you don't know how to answer, you might stay quiet, and that can feel embarrassing, especially if you want to join the chat. Using the wrong tense, like saying, "I am going to the park yesterday," sounds confusing. Practicing these past tense verbs and time phrases helps you avoid mistakes and sound fluent. That's it. You've learned how to talk about the past in English. Use verbs like "I went," "I ate," "I saw," or "I played." And add time phrases like yesterday, last week, or when I was a kid. For example, yesterday I went to the park, or last year I saw a great movie. These make your stories clear and fun. Here's a challenge. This week, tell a friend or family member one thing you did in the past. Like, "Last weekend, I played games." Then, comment below and share your sentence. We'll pick a few to read in our next video. Practice makes you confident. Thanks for watching Beyond Words. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beginner English lessons. Comment, what's one thing you did yesterday or last week? I can't wait to read your stories. Until next time, keep practicing and see you later.